we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done.
Happy New Year, friends, and thank you so much for stopping by for my very first video of 2022. So as you guys can tell from the title, I am taking down all of our Christmas decor in this video, and I am starting with the living room. I was so ready to get rid of all of the clutter by this time. I did film this a couple of days after Christmas, and I just wanted to start with a clean slate coming into the new year. So if you haven't taken your Christmas decor down yet, I hope this gives you some motivation to tackle it. Of course, there is no rush, but if you are ready and are just dreading putting it up or starting, just put this on your TV and start taking down your decor one section at a time.
Before I sleep.
So I won't be doing any more talking throughout this video. I just wanted this to be more of a motivational, clean, and undecorate with me. So I hope you guys enjoy. Be sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to say hi down below in the comments. I truly appreciate you guys, and I can't wait to share more content with you guys this year and grow our community here. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.
I think that I'm going to hiding somewhere by a gated star. Baby, they ain't never gonna find me. I'm a renegade. I could be the one who saved you from this place. We could be as one and we'll escape. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside me. We could have the world to ourselves, going to a place that's far, staring at the stars for hours, 'cause you're a renegade. I could be the one who saved you from this place. We could be as one and we'll escape. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Trust me, I won't let you down. I won't let you down. Yeah, I won't let you down. 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 I won't let you down.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun, the feeling we chase. I'm wide awake, take me away now. don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive. Don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive. Drive, drive, drive.
On a run from a given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride. I swear I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on. On repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on. But you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving to the end, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving. Good. 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 In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you looked like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on. On repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on. But you got me good, you got me good. I keep on linger on. On repeat like it will be my favorite song.
think that I'm